Today I'm going to show you how to create your own voice in ElevenLabs step by step, even if you're brand new to the platform. This is a really useful feature if you want to build a custom voice for content creation, narration, branding, or just to experiment with AI, voice generation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from the main dashboard to saving your own generated voice in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look at the left sidebar and find the Voices section. This is where ElevenLabs keeps all of your voice tools, including your saved voices and voice creation options. Go ahead and click Voices to open that menu. Now, inside the Voices area, you'll see an option to create a new voice. Click Create Voice to begin the process. This is the starting point for building a custom voice from scratch. ElevenLabs gives you a few different creation methods, but for this tutorial, we're going to use the voice design option because it lets you describe the exact kind of voice you want without needing to upload samples. So next, click Voice Design. This will open a prompt where you can type a description of the voice you want ElevenLabs to generate. Be as specific as possible here because the quality of the result depends a lot on the details you provide. You can describe things like age, gender, accent, tone, pacing, and speaking style. For example, you might say you want a warm adult female voice with a British accent, calm delivery, and a professional tone. Or maybe you want a deep, confident male voice with an American accent and a friendly, conversational style. The more detail you give, the better ElevenLabs can match the voice to your idea. If you're not sure what to write, start simple and then refine it later. You can always test a few different descriptions until you find a voice that sounds right for your project. Once your description is ready, click Generate Voice. ElevenLabs will now create several voice options based on your prompt. Take your time here and preview the generated voices one by one. Listen closely to the tone, clarity, accent, emotion, and overall feel. This step matters a lot because even small changes in voice style can make a big difference in the final result. If one voice sounds close but not perfect, you can usually go back and adjust your description to get a better match. But if you hear one you really like, that's the one you want to move forward with. When you find your favorite generated voice, click Select Voice. This tells ElevenLabs that you want to use this version and continue saving it to your account. After selecting it, you'll be asked to enter a name and other details for the voice. Give it a clear name that helps you remember what it's for, especially if you plan to create multiple voices later. You can also add any relevant details or notes so it's easier to identify in your library. Once everything looks good, click Save Voice. And that's it. Your custom voice has now been created and saved inside ElevenLabs. You can come back to it anytime, use it in your projects, or create more voices whenever you need them. This is a super handy feature if you want to build a consistent brand voice, test different narration styles, or speed up your content workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.